Some boats look fast at the dock. The Azimut S7 doesn't wait. 71 feet of Italian carbon. You know it the moment it runs. Built in Italy, S-Series DNA. Azimut cut the weight with carbon and ran the lines low on purpose. What you see is what the hull does. Flat, fast, and in control. 35 knots if you want them. Triple pods pushing a carbon-light hull flat through the turns. No drama at the helm, just the wake behind you and open water ahead. You'll cover more ground than you planned. Cockpit dining when you drop anchor. Flybridge when the sun gets right. Foredeck for the mornings when no one else is up yet. 3 levels. All outdoors, all water. Carbon superstructure. 20% lighter than the market average. That's not a spec, that's speed without burning fuel to get there. Pod propulsion with joystick control. Solo docking in a beam wind with one hand. The cockpit becomes a dining table or a sunbed platform. You anchor somewhere good and live there for a while. Below, a full beam salon. Light from every window. Sea always in frame. Owner suite forward. 2 VIP cabins. It sleeps the people you want along. The day runs like this. Push it hard in the morning. Find the cove by noon. Flybridge in the afternoon. This is a boat that gives you the whole day. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.